This is the SANDPIPER luxury destination trailer by Forest River. This is all smooth exterior, fiberglass on the exterior for easy cleaning. This unit can be towed from place to place with your own truck. It has two patio doors. This is the 420 FL. This unit has got the largest living room of any of our units. It is 14 foot wide. From side of the slide out to the side of the slide out, with a lot of space in the middle of the living room. You have dual height beds. Open up, we have plenty of room after they're open. Lots of cabinets, lots of window space you can see out. Has a retractable television. You push a button and it retracts down into the cabinets so it's out of your way. This has a fireplace and entertainment center. And as you can see, tons of space in this living room. And the dual theater seating directly across from the TV. 8-foot ceilings, 52-inch ceiling fan, and air conditioner. This is a compartmentized unit, so the rooms are divided off. When you come out of the living room, you walk into the kitchen. Kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, hard surface countertops. This is our stock number 5494-23. You have a pantry, 30-inch microwave, full-size range with lots of room for cooking any of your desired menu. This has a island bar with a fold-up tray on the end to give you more room. Hard surface over the sink. Big 3-door stainless steel refrigerator. Nice hutch area. Big tall cabinets. This has a nice lighting over the sink area, so you have plenty of lights. Have a freestanding table with 4 chairs. Your second patio door right across from the bathroom, so you don't have to tramp through the whole trailer. This has got a porcelain toilet. This has got a 48-inch walk-in shower with fiberglass walls, nice medicine cabinet, hard surface countertop, and vanity. The bedroom has a king-size house bed with lots of window space, blackout shades on all the windows, a lot of closet space where you can see a lot of space in your closets. Got shelving area down at the end. Plenty of room to hang all of your clothes. Cabinets above. And this unit behind this sliding door is prepped for a washer and dryer. This can either be a big walk-in style closet, or it can be your washer and dryer if you so desire. Again, this is the SANDPIPER luxury destination trailer by Forest River. This beautiful unit with a beautiful kitchen and very spacious 14-foot wide living area.